Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your maybe into a definitely. Today, we're soaring high with two drones that promise to make you the Spielberg of the skies. On my left, we've got the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter, and on my right, the Tamiz drones with camera for adults 4K. Which one's going to make you the next aerial auteur? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about something that makes all of us sweat: price. The Gloral drone is priced at a cool $179. Ouch, my wallet just screamed. Meanwhile, the Tamiz drone is a more budget-friendly $99. For the price of one Gloral, you could almost get two Tamiz and still have enough left for a celebratory pizza. Advantage Tamiz. Now, let's zoom into the cameras. Both drones boast a 4K camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens. They're basically saying, hey, you'll see more than your eyes can handle. But here's the kicker. Gloral offers 5G Wi-Fi transmission and image stabilization. So if you want your footage to look like it was shot by a professional, Gloral's got your back. Tamiz, you might have more cameras, but Gloral's got the tech-savvy edge. Point to Gloral. Let's talk about how smart these flying machines are. Gloral comes with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having a personal aerial assistant. Tamiz isn't slacking either, with gravity control, altitude hold, and 3D flips. It's like a circus act in the sky, but let's be real. If you want to look like you know what you're doing without actually knowing what you're doing, Gloral's got the easier and cooler modes. Another point to Gloral. Battery life. Because nothing's worse than your drone dying mid-flight. Gloral promises up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. Tamiz? Well, they didn't exactly brag about their battery life, and we all know what that means. Sorry, Tamiz, but Gloral's taking the lead here too. Another point to Gloral. Now, let's talk looks and portability. Both drones have a foldable design, making them as travel-friendly as your favorite neck pillow. But Tamiz takes the cake with its futuristic design and a carrying case. Plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration. Gloral, you might be compact, but Tamiz is the stylish jet-setter here. 1 point to Tamiz. Lastly, customer service. Gloral didn't mention much, probably because they're too busy perfecting their drones. Tamiz, on the other hand, is like that friend who's always there to help you move. They promise dedicated customer service for all your drone-related woes. Tamiz, you've got this one in the bag. Point to Tamiz. Overall, reviewers find the Gloral drone impressive for its ease of use, camera quality, and intelligent flight modes, making it a great option for both beginners and professionals. On the other hand, Tamiz drones are praised for their affordability, durability, and customer service, although they fall short in battery life and may struggle in windy conditions. So who's the winner? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, stylish drone with great customer service, Tamiz is your guy. But if you're after top-notch camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and reliable battery life, Gloral is the way to go. Either way, you're getting some serious aerial awesomeness. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you're taking to the skies. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.